Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Shield in Kingshot. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So once you pretty much unlock the feature, that should be accomplished by leveling up your town center. But again, once you do, all you have to do to use the shield is go ahead to this little arrow thing found right below the profile. So as you can see here, there's an arrow that's pointing up. All you have to do is press on that. The first option should be the shield. This pretty much protects your city from all enemy attacks and scouting. So if you want to go ahead and use that, just go ahead and press on the shield option. You should be able to use whichever option you have if you do have the material. There's a 2-hour shield, up to a 72-hour shield, and also a rechargeable protection shield. This pretty much refreshes attempts with time and protects your city from all enemy attacks again. So if you want to go ahead and use it, just go ahead and press, and it should work as an 8-hour shield. But anyways, that's pretty much it. So that's basically how you can use Shield in Kingshot. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.